Rainstorm just came through here with miles in excess of 60 miles an hour. Didn't hurt anything. And this is the windiest spot on my property. From south to north on the east side of the house. There's a draft here that comes through even when there's no wind blowing. Didn't budge a thing. I checked the South Shade house and that's fine. I was mainly concerned about the Grams because of their long spikes, but they didn't budge. A few of them are going through the lath, but that's to be expected with their length. Alrighty, take care. Ciao.